Before you view our YouTube video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and tapping the bell icon so that you'll be the first one to know when we post the new videos.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 10 different types of healthy Halloween treats. Celebrating Halloween is an exciting time of year, especially those costumes can be so awesome. But the downside is the sugary treats that are front and center. Kids start eating them even before the trick-or-treating begins. But these healthy trick-or-treat alternatives are so much fun to make with your kids. Halloween doesn't have to be filled with scary treats like candies. Happy Halloween! Banana ghosts. Turn bananas into spooky ghosts with chocolate chip eyes and mouth. For making the banana ghost, you need banana, big chocolate chips and small chocolate chips. First peel the banana. Cut it into half. Cut the edges. Use the small chocolate chip as the eyes. Just poke it in there. Press it in and use the big chocolate chip as the mouth. You can even freeze it for an hour and use it as a frozen treat. Orange pumpkins. For making the orange pumpkins, you're going to need oranges, peeled oranges. You can use either orange or clementine, and you need snap peas. You can also use celery sticks. I'm going to cut the top of the snap peas and insert this snap peas at the top of the orange. This is orange pumpkin. You can make a patch of orange pumpkins. Pear skull. These terrifying skulls are super easy to make. For making the pear skulls, you need pears. I've removed the skin of it. And you need blueberries. If you don't have blueberries, you can also use raisins. And you need sliced almonds. And you need peanut butter. If you don't have peanut butter, you can also use cream cheese. Take the pear and we are going to put the eyes through now. Take a little bit of peanut butter and apply it in one side of the blueberry so that the blueberry will stick to the fruit. And we are making another eye. Take another small blueberry and use this as a nose. And take a knife and slit through the pear like this. Not too much, just a small slit so we can insert the almond into it to make the mouth. And this is the sliced almond. Just push it through the slit. There it is, pear skull. Monster mouth. For making the monster mouth, you need green apples. I've sliced it into wedges like this. And you need peanuts, skin peeled off, and sliced strawberries. And you need half a lemon. You have to squeeze the lemon juice into the apples. That will stop it from blackening. I've already rubbed the lemon juice on the slices. And you need some peanut butter. Take one slice of apple and spread peanut butter generously on it. More the merrier. Make some of the peanut come out. It will make the monster mouths even more disgusting. That's the whole point of doing this. So it will come out a little bit like that. And then stick the peanuts in it. Stick it in both sides like that. And you can always stick it all of them, but I'm going to leave the space for the tongue coming out. And put a strawberry like that. It's a sliced strawberry. Now take another slice and just gently press it at the top. There is the scary monster mouth. Creepy spiders. For making the creepy spiders, you need round crackers and pretzel sticks and big chocolate chips and also small chocolate chips. You can also use raisins if you don't have chocolate chips. And you need peanut butter. Take one round cracker and apply peanut butter on one side. Put that there. Each pretzel stick, break them into two and stick it on either side. Make sure you have 4 spider legs each side. So totally there'll be 8 legs. 2 sets. Stick them like the spider legs like this here. And then take another round crackers, apply a little bit more peanut butter, and stick it at the top of these legs. And take the small chocolate chips for the eyes, put a little bit of peanut butter to stick it there. And this is a little bit bigger chocolate chip. We can use it for mouth. You can also use olives. There, that's a creepy spider. Witch's broomsticks. For making the witch's broomsticks, you need cheese string and pretzel sticks, then the spring onions. You can also use chives to tie around. So first, take the string cheese and cut it into 3 parts. Take one part of it and cut the top bit into strings like this so that it will look like a broom. Into pieces, separate them like this into strips, and take a pretzel stick and poke it through the other end of the cheese. Then take the spring onion, one strip from that, and just tie it around this. That is witch's broomsticks. It's as simple as that. Jack-o'-lantern orange cups. For making the jack-o'-lantern orange cups, you need a medium-sized orange. I've actually cut the top and I've scooped out the pulp from it, and I've carved eyes and mouth. Now I'm going to fill it with grapes. It's as simple as that. You can actually use any soft fruit to fill the orange cups in. Slithering snake. Slithering snake, you need crackers. You can go for either round or square ones. It's going to make only the bed for the snake. And you need olives. I've taken black olives. You can go for even green olives. And you need peanut butter. Then little bit of grated carrot. You only need 2 small strands of grated carrot for the mouth. And here I've got 2 small pieces of cheese. This I'm going to use as the eyes for the snake. First, let's make the snake bed. In the middle of the tray, goes like that. let's put the olives, arrange the olives. Now I put all the olives in the shape of a snake, and I'm going to stick the eyes now with a little bit of peanut butter. One eye goes there and the other one here. Now we are going to put the snake tongue. I'm just going to put this small carrot piece in there as the tongue of the snake. There. Scary egg eye. All healthy ingredients made into your Halloween treat. To make the scary egg eye, you need boiled eggs. I've boiled this egg, hard boiled it, and I've cut it lengthwise and removed the egg yolk from it. And you need peanut butter and black olives. I'm going to fill these hollow spaces with peanut butter. Fill this hole. Fill that and take the center part of this is a pitted black olive, so I'll just go for the center bit so it'll exactly look like a scary eye. It's a one-eyed monster like that. This is scary egg eye. Frankenstein's monster. Let your kids play with their food to help create this healthy platter, and they might just be tricked into eating their veggies. For making the Frankenstein's monster, we need a bowl of snap peas and olives. You can also use blueberries and cucumber. I've cut 2 of them round and another one lengthwise, and 2 baby carrots. I'm going to put all the snap peas into a plate here. I'm going to arrange it in the face of a monster. Smoothen them out, all of them. I just need 1 snap piece to make the ears. So I'll save this. I'll break that into 2. And that can be the ears poking out. This is very fun making with your kids. Now I'm going to put the eyes. Then the olives, half olives can be the eyeballs here. And this is the nose. I'm going to make the mouth. Rest of the olives, you put that as hair. There you go. The hair is ready now. It is Frankenstein's scary monster. There you go.
In today's video, I've shown you how to make healthy Halloween treats in 10 different ways. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips on weight loss, subscribe to the channel.